Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all of you are fine. May Allah help us from this pandemic situation, and inshallah we will recover it from this pandemic. Today my topic is Finance and Banking's Chapter 9, Risks and
Return.
I am Tanzia Afrin, lecturer of Milestone College. Already I taught you about the math, how to find the standard deviation, the risks of return, the expected rate of return before my classes. Today I get a new STEM from where we learn how to find out the expected rate of return and standard deviation and also covariance, it means CV, from the information where returns are here not in percentage, in amount. Just here there is no percentage, all these are the only return in amount. So there is a new STEM. Mr. Ali has 10 lakh savings and he wants to invest in any profitable project, any one project. It means it is not in two projects equally or 70-30 or mutually, totally individual significant two projects, X or Y, A or B, or you know very well what is the meaning of or. Maybe it's totally invest in project X or Y, not equally or not rationally. It means the profitability project, profitable, there are two projects to invest. The informations are as follows: expected rate of return, we can write it here, the expected returns also, it will be correct, and the probabilities of these two projects. And the project X returns are 20,000 in amount, not in percentage. Just focused here, my dear students. 20,000, 12,000 and again 20,000. And another project, project Y, 16,000, 10,000 and 15,000. And the probabilities of both projects are 50%, 30% and 20%. All these are the probabilities. The requirements are: number A, according to STEM, all this STEM, what is the standard deviation of project X of Mr. Ali? Mr. Ali's X projects standard deviation we have to find out first. And number B requirement, which project should be accepted by Mr. Ali? Mr. Ali have to invest in any one project. From these two projects, which project will be suitable or will be accepted by Mr. Ali? Now we have to find out, or to get this answer, do through two math, and there is formula. We have to erase fast. To find out the standard deviation of project A, first we have to find out the expected rate of return of project A. So requirement A, first expected rate of return project A, it means R bar X, project X, the formula is R1 P1 plus R2 P2 plus summation sign you can use here. Now I am putting all the values here, R1, R2, R3 are the return, first one, second and third. 20,000, second one is 12,000 and third return is 20,000 again. And the probabilities are, first one 50,000 means 0.5 P2, second probability is 30% and third 20%. Now I am putting all the values in formula. R bar X, it means the expected rate of return of project X is summation, already I wrote here. So the first one is 20,000 multiply 0.50 plus 12,000 multiply 0.30 from here and plus 20,000 again multiply 0.20 and we have to calculate it maybe in scientific or normal, and the result is here 17,600.06, not percentage. We shouldn't write here percentage because all these are the values in amount, so the answer will be in amount. This is the expected rate of return of project X. Then we have to find out the standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma is the sign of standard deviation, and the formula is root over summation R minus R bar whole square multiply P. We can write here R1 or P1 and plus dot dot dot, it means already is going on. Now I am putting all the values here. Root over, we have to write the root over first, otherwise we will forget it after. R1 means 20,000 multiply R bar, here the R bar is 0.06, okay, square multiply P1 means 0.5 plus 12,000 here minus same amount 17,600.06 square multiply 0.30 plus 20,000 again minus 17,600.06 square, don't forget to put square here, multiply 0.20. root over is all over the amount, you have to calculate it. Just put the value in multiply square, sorry, here I mistook, minus plus minus whole square multiply 30 0.30 20,000 multiply R bar square. I think all these are correct now, and the answer is 3666.06 or no 06, not 07, no percentage will be here. This is the answer of expected rate of return and standard deviation of project A, X. We can write here also or remove. Here we can remove and find out the covariance. It means CV here. CV of project X, the formula is standard deviation of project S divided by R bar of project X. Here I am putting all the values, and the values are 366.07 divided by R bar X, 70,600, and the answer is 20.82%. This is the CV covariance of project X. This is the requirement of number A. Second, we have to find out the second project of project X, and the values are R1 16,000, R2 10,000, and R3 15,000, and same the probabilities R1 equals to 50%, same project X and Y, P2 30%, and P3 20%. Now I am putting all these value on formula, that R1 means 60,000 multiply 0.50 plus 10,000 multiply 0.30 plus 15,000 multiply 0.20, and the result is 14,000. Same way, now we will find out the standard deviation. Now I am writing standard deviation, it means sigma of project Y, like that, and the formula is root over R minus R bar whole square multiply P plus dot 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 summation. We can write here summation also. This is the formula of standard deviation, and I am putting all these values. First we will have to write a big root over R1 16,000 minus 10,000, sorry 14,000, not 10,000, 14,000 is from here, the R bar Y here, this value we have to put here, square multiply 0.50 plus 10,000 minus 14,000, same, square multiply 0.30 from here, and plus again 15,000 minus 14,000 whole square multiply 0.20. We can write here 0. This is the value. I am checking again, that square multiply P, that minus square. I think all these are right, and we have to calculate it, and the answer is 2644.75. This is the answer of project Y standard deviation. And like before, I am calculating the CV covariance here. CV means covariance, and the formula is standard deviation of project Y divided of R bar of project Y, and I am putting the values. The values are 2644.75 divided by this value 14,000, and the answer is 18.96%. Now the question is, Mr. Ali have to choose which one and have to reject which one. So according to CV's value, it means CVx and CVy, we can get the decision, take the decision like which one is less amount. More amount means more risky and less amount means less risky. Whatever we know, the CVx equals to 20.86% and CVy equals to 18.96%. So Mr. Ali should invest in project Y, second project. Why? Due to the less amount of CV. We can find out, we can get the decisions through find out the CV of different types of projects and get new decision which is better for Mr. Ali or whatever. For today, my dear students, that's all. Please may Allah help us.